In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record full screen on OBS Studio. You can see currently I'm already open OBS Studio on my MacBook. So if you're using MacBook, PC, laptop, whatever you want, just same method, just follow my instruction. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So first, you can see I have already opened a scene. So if you have not opened, just click on this plus icon, then click on OK. Then this is a new scene. Then this is a source, and click on this plus, then Mac OS. If you are using Windows laptop or PC, so you can see different language like screen capture, window capture, anything. You need to click, then click on OK. Then this is a display capture. Okay, then this is a full screen mode. Okay, but this OBS Studio cannot find my whole screen, so I need to click on this right button on this screen, then going to transform, then click to switch to screen. Then okay, you can see it's amazing, and this is the four corner 1 2 3 4 are extremely fit to this screen. So now if I click on the start recording, then this OBS Studio will be recording whole my screen in one frame. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.